Hello everyone, I am Mithuna Shri S from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today's video is about mathematics and the topic is angle and projections, rotation, reflection, contraction and expansion. So let's know the introduction to angle and projections, rotation, reflection, contraction, and expansion. Angle and projections involve the measurement and calculation of the angle between two lines or objects. Rotation refers to the circular movement of an object around a fixed point. Reflection is the transformation of an object by flipping it across a line and also known as mirror line. Contraction involves the reduction in the size of an object, and expansion refers to enlarging or increasing the size of an object. So, now let's know about angle and projections. Angle and projections. Angles are the measurement of amount of turn between two rays or objects sharing a common endpoint. Angles are measured in degrees and can be determined the direction and or position of objects in space. Projection involves the transformation of three-dimensional object onto two-dimensional surface. Projections are used in architecture, engineering, and computer graphics to represent object accurately. And angle and projections are fundamental concepts in geometry and have a great application in various fields. Next, let's know about rotation. Rotation is the transformation that changes the position of an object by turning it around a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of rotation. In mathematics, rotation is described using degrees or radians. Rotation of an object change only its orientation without affecting shape or size of an object. There are clockwise and counterclockwise rotation which are determined by the direction of the movement. So reflection. Reflection is a transformation that creates a mirror image of an object. The mirror line is the axis of reflection. Each point on the object is reflected across the line, resulting in mirror image. Reflection proves the shape, size of an object. An object and its reflection are equidistant from the mirror line. So, contraction and expansion. Contraction refers to the transformation that reduces the size of an object. Contraction includes scaling down of each point of an object by certain factor. And expansion refers to the transformation that increases the size of an object, which also can be defined as scaling up of each point of an object by certain factor. Contraction and expansion can occur uniformly or non-uniformly. Both contraction and expansion affects shape and size of an object. So let's know applications about each topics. Applications of angle and projection. Angle and projections calculations are essential in surveying and map making. They are used in architectural design to determine the orientation of buildings and structures. Angle and projections are also used in computer graphics and animation. So, applications of rotation. Rotation is used in robotics for the movement of robot arms and joints. In physics, rotation is crucial in understanding the motion of objects such as planets and satellites. Rotation is also utilized in computer graphics to create realistic and animations. Rotation also have application in other various fields. So, application of reflection. Reflection is used in optics to understand the behavior of light when it hits a mirror or other refractive surfaces. Reflection is essential in photography to capture images using mirror or reflective surfaces. In Architecture and interior design reflection is used to enhance the lighting and create the illusion of space. Application of contraction and expansion. Contraction and expansion are used in engineering to design structures that can withstand temperature changes. In manufacturing, contraction and expansion are considered when designing objects that need to fit together precisely. Contraction and expansion are also employed in medical fields to understand the behavior of tissues and organs. For example, the expansion or dilation joints are found in structures as well as between the intersection of bridges, pavements, railroad tracks, piping systems. So let's move on to the conclusion. Conclusion. Angle and projections, rotations, reflections, contraction, and expansion are fundamental concepts in mathematics and various fields. Understanding these transformations allows us to describe and analyze the objects and their movements in space. The application of these concepts are vast and impact numerous industries. These are the basic concepts and which everyone are known about them. So thank you for watching the video. Please do like the video.